Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for having me here. My name is Nurul Hikmah from class C1 AKB State University of Makassar, majoring in elementary school teacher education in the ASP course. For our beloved lecturer, Mr. Muhaimin Abdullah and Mr. Muhammad Asrul Sultan, thank you for giving me opportunity to be here. And now, I will talking about color does not equal consciousness. And we know racism has spread widely among the public, especially in Europe, including education and many other aspects. So much Black and Latino people out there not treated properly. That's why I need to discuss about this topic. According to the Tempo.co, Washington 6 March 2012, Black and Latin students across the United States tend to be counted among the white students. They are also much less likely to have access to college that are strict for new students admission, according to a study by the U.S. Department of Education Office of Citizen Rights. The student data were collected from 72,000 schools across the U.S. As a result, there is a tremendous gap in public school experience between minority and white students. Some of the most striking findings are regarding discipline, in which 1 in 5 African American boys and 1 in 10 African American girls were suspended from school during the study period in 2009 and 2010 years teachings. Overall, African American students were 3.5 times more likely to be suspended or expelled than their white students. Academic opportunities are also sorted by race. Among secondary school, where students are predominantly Latin and African American, only 29% hold calculus and PC classes, with only 40%. In 2017, the American College Test or ACT report on a college or career readiness showed that only 11% of Black students and 23% of Latin students meet 3 or more college readiness benchmarks. These benchmarks are determined by scores of tests of English, reading, math, and science, and performance for Black and Latino students has remained fairly stable since 2012. In the New York City, the Department of Oregon Education or DOE report that only 18% to 21% of Black and Latino male students with a high school diploma are considered college or career ready when they leave secondary school, explained Success Initiative 2012. Conley 2012 outlines 4 keys to college and career readiness: cognitive strategies, content knowledge, transitional knowledge and skill, and learning skill technique. So, conclusion of this topic is providing educators of color with multiple opportunities before and after entering the field to learn about CRE and consciously plan to leverage their experiential knowledge as a pedagogical tool. It is our belief that continued CREPD can support educators of color as they critically reflect on race, gender, and experiential knowledge to better facilitate complicated conversation about schooling, expectation, socialization, and post-secondary readiness for Black and Latino males. Notably, participants experience a greater focus on college knowledge and skill than on content knowledge or cognitive strategies. I think that's all from me about this presentation. Enjoy this presentation, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. I think we will end this presentation. Thank you very much for your